The pentatonic scale isn't just for single note lines. Some of the most iconic licks in music use two-note groupings, including unison bends and double stops. If you want to make a room boogie like Chuck Berry, soar like Jimmy Page, or fill around chords like Jimi Hendrix, this lesson is for you. I'm going to show you how to use pairs of notes in the pentatonic scale to add texture, highlight chord changes, and make the most of scale shapes in any musical situation. And this is based on Chapter 12 of my book, Lead Guitar Unlocked, Master Expressive Soloing with the Pentatonic Scale. From basic patterns to pro-level phrasing, learn to play licks that speak and solos that sing. Let's dive in. You begin your journey into two-note firepower with unison bends. A unison bend is when you play two notes simultaneously with one held steady while the other is bent to match its pitch. Unison simply means that they end up sounding like the same note. My example is based in the A minor pentatonic scale. You begin by fretting an E note on the 5th fret of string 2 and playing it together with a D on the 7th fret of string 3. Bend the D up a whole step until it matches the pitch of the E. This produces a thick, expressive tone and a unique interaction as the bent note rises into unison. Use your index finger on string 2 and your middle and ring fingers to help bend the note on string 3. From here, you can move around the pentatonic scale using your index finger as an anchor with your other fingers following along on the neighboring string. And here's a quick guide. When your index finger is on string 2, the bend will be on string 3, 2 frets higher. When your index is on string 1, the bend will be on string 2, 3 frets higher. In my example, you start with your index finger on string 2 and move through the various notes in the A minor pentatonic scale. Then your index finger moves to string 1 and you continue up the scale. You can play my example as it's written, or move horizontally on string 2 or 1, or just focus on 1 or 2 unison bends. And a great example of this technique can be heard at the end of Stairway to Heaven by Led Zeppelin. Here's another example of using double stops in the pentatonic scale, played in the style of Chuck Berry. This example is also set in the A minor pentatonic pattern 1. And the phrase begins with a bit of a unison bend technique, then adds a bar across strings 1 and 2, and it's become part of standard rock guitar vocabulary to alternate between a bend on string 3 and the barred notes on strings 1 and 2, sometimes picking them separately, and other times striking them together as a double stop. You hear this classic sound in Johnny Be Good by Chuck Berry, and also Rock and Roll All Night from Kiss Alive as played by Ace Frehley. This double stop example demonstrates R&B style embellishments that Jimi Hendrix refined and used to craft songs like Little Wing and The Wind Cries Mary. My example uses a portion of the A minor pentatonic pattern 1 and an A minor chord, and the D minor pentatonic pattern 1 and a D minor chord. This example highlights how you can fill around chord shapes using related scales to embellish your rhythm playing. Some players describe this style as playing lead while playing chords, and Hendrix often approached this by playing the root notes with his thumb while keeping his hand in a wraparound position. The first part of each measure establishes the root and chord, followed by a fill drawn from the underlying pentatonic scale. The trickiest part of this lick is barring notes at the 5th fret with your index finger while hammering on and pulling off a string above the bar with your ring finger. To make this work, keep your index finger flat while keeping your ring finger arched. And for my final double stop example, here are chord-based pentatonic fills over major chords. This example begins with a portion of the A major pentatonic pattern 2, positioned around a standard 6-string bar chord at the 5th fret. It then moves to a portion of D major pentatonic pattern 1, located near a typical 5th string root bar chord. Each measure starts with a root note, chord stab, followed by pentatonic embellishments that add color and movement. Make sure you arch your ring finger while executing hammer-ons and pull-offs, and keep your index finger flat to sustain the double stops. And you might choose to use your thumb to fret the root note on that E-form bar chord. All right, in this lesson, you expanded your pentatonic toolkit by exploring 2-note techniques that add depth, energy, and expression to your playing. You learned how to use the pentatonic scale not just for single note lines, but fiery unison bends in the style of Jimmy Page, Chuck Berry style double stops, and smooth R&B embellishments in the style of Hendrix. These techniques aren't just flashy, they're foundational elements of pentatonic vocabulary. Whether you're building tension or outlining chord changes, these 2-note techniques help your playing stand out and serve the song. Experiment with these ideas across different keys and progressions. You don't need to use them all at once, but having them in your back pocket means you're ready to shine whenever the moment calls for it. If you'd like to learn more about mastering expressive soloing with the pentatonic scale, see my book, Lead Guitar Unlocked, available at Amazon. Maybe this lesson is just the sort of thing you should be working on right now. Or maybe your playing needs attention in other areas. If you need help determining what you should specifically be working on right now to become a better guitar player, go to my website, guitarmusictheory.com. Answer the question I ask you about your playing, and I'll send you free custom video instruction that's calibrated to your current level. Whether you're a beginner still needing to learn the basics, or you need help with bar chords, finger picking, guitar soloing, or you want to delve deeply into music theory, I've got a free course for you. I can provide you with a step-by-step plan so you can stop guessing, make your best progress, and reach your music goals. Enroll in your free video course now at guitarmusictheory.com. You can click on the link in the video description. All right, guitar engineers, I'm Desi Cerna. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. Then keep playing and stay tuned for more.